and welcome to this week's new release video. This week, the main release is mystery kits, so I've got those flipped over. I am gonna show some of the stuff in those. I'm gonna do that at the end, so if you don't want that spoiled for you, just make sure that you click out. I'll give another warning before that happens. But we do have something brand new for mystery, and that starts this week, and it is a functional set. So I wanted to make sure to actually show every single sheet so that you guys really know what's in there. And I also did like a detailed description on the website, although these won't be live until noon tomorrow, but I did a detailed description on the website, and then I also went ahead and pulled the full box and the bottom washi sheet, as well as the B6 full box and sheet that has the washi strips on it, just to show you guys. It seems like everybody likes to get a little bit more of a sneak, so I am gonna show those at the end. And this might win for my all-time, like all-time favorite kit. Anyway, but the first thing that I've got are some, oh, that's gonna drive me crazy. That's a little bit better. Okay, so the first thing that I've got are the galaxy overlays in all of the new foil colors. So this is probably our best-selling clear foil item. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this one, and then we are just going to continue stocking these colors in other items as we can. It's gonna take us a while, but I wanted to go ahead and get started with these. So this is the first one. I need to go in and edit these listings. I'm not positive when I will get that done, but I'm gonna work on it. It will be done by noon tomorrow. I don't think it's gonna be done before then. So these are the Galaxy full box overlays, and these are one of my favorite things. I think they look so pretty over like every single kit. So the first one that I've got here is, I have to look. Okay, so the first one I've got is Shattered Glass. Between Shattered Glass and the Silver Glitter Hollow, I have to actually like take a second and look at the pattern in it. But this one is Shattered Glass, so we're gonna do this. There we go. Okay, so the first one is this Shattered Glass. So it is like a hollow, but it does have a really pretty pattern in it. I don't know that you're gonna be able to see that on camera. Well, you definitely can't see it if my camera doesn't actually do what it's supposed to do. Oh boy, let's try. Okay, we're kind of getting it here. So it does have a really pretty pattern. I am going to go in and have photos of the foil rolls all side by side in the listings so that you guys can really see, but this one does have a holographic shift to it. So that is the first one that we'll have. The next one that I've got here is Matte Copper, and somehow this one is like my favorite. Oh, Ozzy wants out. 1 second, baby. So there we go. This one is Matte Copper. So it doesn't have like a ton of the like, I don't want to say it doesn't have shine because I feel like it does. I was gonna try to show you guys side by side with another, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell or not. So anyway, I think it is such a pretty color. It's like an in-between rose gold with maybe a normal gold. I just love it. So there is that option. It's getting dark out now, so I'm trying to do this with like the best lighting that is currently available. But like I said, I'll have all of these foil rolls side by side on the listings. So the next one that we've got is this purple shade that I also just really, really love. So it's kind of like a medium purple, almost like a lavender, not quite. I think it is so beautiful. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and zoom you guys so I'm not holding these up to the camera. Okay, here we go. So if you guys can see, I know that the lighting is not the best, but so this is purple. For right now, I'm just gonna list it as purple. If we end up getting other different shades of purple in, I'll change that, but for right now, I think purple will work. So the next one that we have got is this dark green, which I also really like. Super, super pretty, and for like, I can't wait for Christmas for this color. I think it's gonna be so pretty. See if we can get, I think you guys are able to see that glare. Okay, so that was dark green. The next one that I've got is just regular hollow. This one was the most requested and has been for some time. So this one is just ordinary hollow, but look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, so we'll have that. The next one that we've got is light pink. if you guys can see. So this is like, I mean, it's very, very true pink. Our rose gold is pretty pinky, but this is, let me move my monitor down. This is like very true pink, and I feel like you guys cannot see it. I probably should have done this while the sun was still out, but we went to the lake today. Hopefully you guys can see it. If not, the rolls will be taken tomorrow morning in natural lighting. So the next one I've got here is dark blue, and I am obsessed with this color. I think it's so pretty. And then we also, and I'll show you side by side, have light blue, which is more of, I don't want to say baby blue, maybe more like aqua blue. I keep thinking if I turn it at like the perfect angle, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. I think maybe it's even easier to see it on the name up top. So that was dark and light blue. And then the very last one that I've got here is silver glitter hollow. So the difference between shattered glass and silver glitter hollow. So shattered glass has a pattern in it that like literally looks like it has like shattered glass, whereas silver glitter has more like little tiny like specks of actual glitter, if that makes any sense. I don't think you guys are really gonna be able to tell looking at this. If you look at this stripe right here and in the name, I think that's the easiest way to kind of tell the difference. This one has like more of a textured pattern, and this one is really just like it's got little sparkly glitter in it. They're both super pretty. They both look very similar, especially on this sheet. I think in other sheets where there's larger foiling, you're gonna really be able to tell a difference, but they're both very pretty. I think I prefer the shattered glass. I just really like the texture in it. I also did order gold glitter hollow, and I don't know why, but it will not work. Silver and this one fine, but the gold will not adhere properly. So we're gonna try it on premium matte as well as on glossy and see what it does. But as far as clear foil, that one is a no. Okay, so now I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. Okay guys, so now if you do not want to be spoiled on the mystery kit, please exit out of this video. I am gonna show the full boxes, the bottom washi sheet for deluxe. Mini is so similar that I'm not gonna show that one. And then I'm gonna show for B6, and I'm also going to show the functional items. Now I know since the functional items are the newest thing and nobody's like had them yet, they are very similar to $2 Tuesday, but they are different. I'm gonna start with those so that anybody that does not wanna be spoiled on the kit but does wanna see what the functional items are all about can go ahead and get this out of the way so you don't have to click around and possibly spoil it for yourself. So this will be a bit spoily on what this is as far as the colors and everything, but for the most part, it's nothing crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over. This is gonna be sold only as a set. So these are the new functional sheets that we're gonna start doing with mystery, and I love them. I really, really love the $2 Tuesday items. I've been using them a lot in my B6. Soon I will be using them in my rings. So I wanted to do something kind of similar. Plus we used to sell add-ons for the mystery kits that were foil like this, and they did really, really well, but it was just so much for us to do. But we have a system for doing $2 Tuesday things that is working really well, so I think we'll be okay with these. So basically what you're gonna get is the sampler that is the same as what we do for $2 Tuesday. All of these for this month are gold. I wanted to do 2 to 3 colors in these. The color that I had picked was that green, and it ended up not looking right with it. This is a very like neutral kit. I think for some other kits, we're gonna be able to do some really fun colors like purples or pinks or hollows or stuff like that. But for this kit, it did not work out. All of these are gonna be gold. But hopefully in the future we will be able to like mix the foil colors that are in these to kind of go with the kit. So the first thing that you will get is the sampler. So this one did not change at all from the $2 Tuesday sheets. Also, before I even go any further, let me talk about the price. So these are the normal price for these sheets, which is $3. It used to be like $4.25, but like I said, we are able to drop that a bit. Also, all of these are gonna be $3 a piece to match what we were doing with outsourcing. So yeah, these are all 3. So these are 3 apiece. We are only gonna do the set. I'll listen to everybody's feedback once we start doing this and kind of like get a feel for how everybody is thinking and, you know, how everybody feels about it. If people want sheets individually, we will do that, but the problem with that is they're mystery sheets, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult. I guess I could black everything out and do it that way, but you guys let me know. So they are $3 a sheet, and there are 6 sheets, so the set will be 18, and this will just be a totally separate listing from the actual mystery kit. Okay, moving on. So this sheet is exactly the same as our $2 Tuesday sampler is. It's a little bit difficult to see, but if you guys can see this background, what a statement. It's a little difficult to see, but if you guys can see. So the background on this is like a burlap and lace. It's really, really pretty, and really faint as well. So for the sampler, let me move some of this. Also, some of these are like brand new, I just finished. You have got, okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna zoom you in again. Okay, so you have got a bow, an asterisk, a heart, alarm clock, computer, television, car, grocery cart, 3 of these little swashes. You have got your 3-heart checklist, a couple of flags. I know that's a little bit difficult to see. This is an appointment label. You have got a row of bow headers, a few scripts, me time, to do, today, and work. 2 of these scalloped banners. These are 1.5 inch, so they go right in an Erin Condren box, and then you have got 1 bow box. So that is the sampler. And I'm gonna do the sheets that have the patterned backing first, and then I'll do the solid sheets. So your next sheet is, and this is new, your script sampler. I'm excited about this, but you guys let me know. I did the fun scripts that we did a while back on clear foil. If you'd rather me do our regular fancy scripts, let me know and we can switch it up. Or I may maybe just like switch it up between kits. So we've got hashtag adulting, wine time, Target run, Netflix binge, treat yourself, work, pay the bills, $2 Tuesday, clean the house, next week, work, manicure, laundry today or naked tomorrow, and YouTube binge. I love this. I think this is so, so cute. And I think that the samplers and like the scripts, once we're able to do more of like fun colors, are gonna be really cool. So that is the second sheet. The third sheet is just a mix of what we would normally do for $2 Tuesday. So we did flags, which again, let me pull one up for you guys so you can see. So you can see where it's kind of cut. You've got flags, hearts, and then bows. I wanted to do this as a mix because I wanted to keep this set kind of small. In the future, we may offer the set in like a larger set where you can get more sheets. I know people really like these sheets, so that's a possibility. For right now, it's 3 patterned, 3 solid. So your next sheet, moving on to the solids, is your icon sampler. And I love this sheet. So you've got bow, a trash can, a cleaning bottle, money bag, computer, a scale, balloons, grocery cart, camera, a pet paw, heart, house, car, a kettlebell, a wallet, an asterisk, a alarm clock, a present, face mask, wine glasses, television, laundry basket, broom, book, bow, heart, asterisk, television, and then repeat the first and the second row. So I love these. I think these are so much fun. So you've got that as your 4th sheet. Your 5th sheet is the same as the other one that I had shown. You've got some flags, hearts, and then some bows. So I did have to switch this one slightly because these have the fill behind them, the bleed lines. I couldn't fit 2 rows, so we did an extra row of bows because that is one of the best sellers for those items. So you've got that one, and then your last sheet, and this was pretty highly requested, is the date cover sheet. So I was able to fit 2 rows of date covers. I did 1 patterned and 1 solid. So if you guys are familiar with the date covers we used to have, these are just done in these watercolor swatch, well, they're not watercolor, but in these swatches. So you've got that same, if this will focus, you've got that same pattern in these date covers. I wanted it to be as well that if you're using a B6 or you're using a planner that you don't use a kit in, you could really use these to kind of mix and match and make almost like a little kit. So with these matching, and then you've got the date covers matching, I think I could do a full spread in my B6. And actually, if you guys want to see that, let me know down below and I'll do that. So that is the mystery functional set. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be doing some polls on Instagram and Facebook as well once these start going out and everything, to see how everybody feels, see what it's missing, what you guys want, all of that. So now I'm gonna zoom you guys back out, and I am gonna show the mystery kit. So if you don't wanna see that, go ahead and X out. Okay guys, so the level of excitement that I have for this kit. So this is March Mystery, and for some reason March Mystery is always like what takes my new favorite. So what I wanted to do, I want to explain a little bit, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. What I wanted to do was make this look like farmhouse signage. I wanted all the foil to look like, you know, signs and things you would see in a farmhouse style house like mine. Well, kind of like mine, but I am so in love with how this turned out. So let me get you guys a little bit closer. Come on camera, there we go. So your first foiled box says farm fresh eggs, and it has this little chicken, hen, is it a hen if it lays eggs? And then these little wheat leaves. I don't think that's a leaf either. Anyway, so then you've got this box here that has got like the table that has the pillows and the mason jars and the lanterns and the lamp, and I just love it. Your next box is another one that I wanted to look like signage, and it says Farm Sweet Farm, and it has the cow and also the wheat as well. Your next foiled box down here has got a mason jar in it, just super cute. And then your middle box here has your fireplace. You've got this really pretty floral wreath, and then this nice chair that has a pillow that says farmhouse. And then your next foiled box over here says farmer's market open daily. And then you do down here have these beautiful mason jars that have the florals, and then this really pretty scene that has the bed as well as like the bench, the dresser, just all of this stuff. So these full boxes are, oh my goodness, I just love it so much. If Joanna Gaines needed a sticker kit, I've got her covered. Anyway, so those are your full boxes, and I wanted to keep the whole signage thing like going throughout the kit. So for your bottom washi, we kind of kept it going. So you've got on this side, life is better on the farm, with this adorable little truck. And then over here you've got the cow, the goat or sheep, the pig, and then the chicken all like standing on each other. I am just so obsessed. And then down here you do have your date numbers. And then if you wanted to see like the coloration for the rest of the kit, it's these right here. So you've got a dark brown, a lighter like brown cream color, a like kind of forest green, and then a gray. So these are the full box and the bottom washi sheets, and I'm just obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I want to use this right now, but I have to wait until I start shipping. So yeah, that is for the deluxe kit. And then I do want to show you B6 because we did have to change, or I did have to change the washi. Just because I couldn't fit these large pieces on the small B6 washi. So I will also show you the comparisons on full boxes. So this is B6. We did lose the scene that had the fireplace in it. Everything else is exactly the same, just a little bit smaller. These are the smaller B6 boxes, and then this is your washi box right here. And then for your bottom washi, we did this. So I did this. I don't know why I refer to the shop as we. Anyway, so you've got this right here that says farmhouse in this really pretty script. And then you've got your wheat over here. I wish I could have fit these into B6, but it just wasn't gonna happen. There's no way that we could actually get it to foil correctly. So, but I think this is a nice alternative. I still absolutely love how it looks. So there is B6. But yeah, so that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. They will be up at noon Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.